Let's compare three really great options if you want to do some analog film photography. This is the Instax Link printer, and this is sort of a hybrid. So you actually take a digital photo on your smartphone, connect it to this printer, and it will print it out on an Instax Mini format of film, which is a credit card size print. So really cool if you want to take those existing digital photos on your smartphone and make a little physical print that you can put in your wallet or give to a friend or family member. Now, another thing to look at, though, this is the Instax SQ6 camera. This is a true analog film camera. So instead of taking a digital photo and printing it on analog film, like with the Link printer, you actually take the photo, it's an analog exposure, it prints out and develops in about 3 to 5 minutes. And the other big difference here is that this is the Instax Square format in the SQ6, which is like more of your traditional instant film. It's a square versus the Link is a rectangular photo. But another thing to keep in mind, though, if you want something even more traditional, take a look at the Kodak Daylight Disposable. This is a traditional disposable camera. It's a 35 millimeter camera. It's a one-time use. You take all your exposures, you send it off to a dark room, and they will develop it for you. So not instant with this, but I really like that really classic 35 millimeter experience with the Kodak Daylight Disposable. All three of these really great options. I think the Link printer is great if you have existing digital photos. If you want to take that really classic 35 millimeter print, then go with the Kodak Daylight Disposable. My favorite, I think overall for the instant side of things, Instax SQ6. It's a real camera. Take that immediate print, get it printed out, and I love that it is that traditional square format.